You want to start a dropshipping business, but the thought of managing inventory, shipping, and a million different suppliers makes your head spin, right? What if I told you there's a way to simplify all of that, especially if you're already building your dream store on Shopify? Imagine being able to fill your online shelves with high-quality products from reliable suppliers, all with just a few clicks, and have them shipped directly to your customers without ever touching a single item yourself. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Well, that's exactly where Spocket comes in, and today we're diving deep into the powerful synergy between Spocket and Shopify. For anyone new to the world of e-commerce, dropshipping is a revolutionary retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. This means you never have to worry about warehousing, packaging, or shipping logistics. Your main focus becomes marketing, customer service, and finding fantastic products to sell. And when it comes to finding those products, Spocket has emerged as a game changer, especially for Shopify store owners. Shopify, as many of you know, is the undisputed king of e-commerce platforms. It provides all the tools you need to create a beautiful, functional online store, manage your products, process payments, and so much more. Its user-friendly interface and extensive app store make it accessible to everyone, from complete beginners to seasoned entrepreneurs. So, you've got this amazing platform to build your store, but how do you actually get products onto it, especially if you're dropshipping? This is where the magic of Spocket steps in. Think of Spocket as your personal product curator and supplier network. It's an app that seamlessly integrates with your Shopify store, acting as a bridge between you and thousands of dropshipping suppliers, primarily located in the US and EU. This emphasis on local suppliers is a huge differentiator for Spocket, as it often translates to faster shipping times, higher product quality, and easier returns, which are all crucial for building customer trust and repeat business. So, how does this integration actually work step by step? Let's break it down. The first thing you'll do is install the Spocket app from the Shopify App Store. It's a straightforward process, just like installing any other Shopify app. Once installed, you'll connect your Spocket account to your Shopify store. This establishes the direct line of communication between the two platforms, allowing them to share information seamlessly. Once connected, you enter the Spocket dashboard, and this is where the fun begins. You'll be greeted with a vast marketplace of products, categorized and searchable, ranging from fashion and home goods to electronics and pet supplies. You can browse by niche, price, shipping location, and even apply filters to find specific types of products or suppliers. Each product listing provides detailed information, including high-quality images, descriptions, suggested retail prices, and estimated shipping times. When you find a product you like and want to add to your Shopify store, it's incredibly simple. With a single click, you can import that product to your Shopify store. Spocket then automatically pushes all the relevant information, images, descriptions, variants, and even the suggested retail price, directly into your Shopify product catalog. This saves you an immense amount of time and effort compared to manually adding products. You can then go into your Shopify admin, review the imported product, make any necessary edits to the description, title, or pricing, and then publish it to your store. It's that easy to populate your store with a diverse range of products. Now, here's where the real power of the Spocket Shopify integration shines. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, let's say a customer buys that trendy necklace you just imported from Spocket. Shopify processes the order, and because Spocket is integrated, that order information is automatically synced back to your Spocket dashboard. You'll see the order, the customer's shipping details, and the product they purchased. To fulfill the order, you simply click the Place Order button within Spocket. Spocket then communicates directly with the supplier of that specific product. You pay the wholesale price of the product through Spocket, and the supplier takes care of the rest. They package the item, often with your store's branding or a generic, unbranded package to maintain the dropshipping illusion, and ship it directly to your customer. You don't have to worry about printing shipping labels, going to the post office, or managing inventory. Spocket handles the entire fulfillment process on your behalf. And the best part? Spocket provides tracking information for the shipped orders. This tracking data is then automatically pushed back to your Shopify store, allowing you to provide your customers with real-time updates on their order status. This transparency builds trust and reduces customer inquiries, leading to a much smoother customer experience. Beyond the core functionality of product import and order fulfillment, Spocket offers a range of features that further enhance its integration with Shopify. You can set global pricing rules, allowing you to automatically mark up products by a certain percentage or fixed amount, ensuring consistent profit margins. You can also monitor inventory levels from your Spocket dashboard, getting alerts if a product is running low or out of stock, which helps prevent selling products you can't fulfill. Many Spocket suppliers also offer sample orders, allowing you to order a product for yourself to assess its quality and take your own product photos before committing to selling it to your customers. This is a huge advantage for ensuring customer satisfaction. The benefits of using Spocket with Shopify are clear. Firstly, time saving. The automation of product import and order fulfillment frees up countless hours that you can dedicate to marketing your store, improving your website, or focusing on customer service. Secondly, reduced risk. With no need to purchase inventory upfront, your financial risk is significantly minimized. You only pay for products when a customer actually buys them. Thirdly, access to quality products and faster shipping. Spocket's focus on US and EU suppliers means you can offer higher quality products with significantly faster shipping times compared to many other dropshipping platforms that rely heavily on suppliers from Asia. This translates to happier customers and fewer headaches for you. Fourthly, scalability. As your business grows, Spocket can easily accommodate your increased order volume without you needing to worry about expanding your own storage or shipping infrastructure. And finally, branding control. While you don't handle the physical product, you maintain complete control over your brand on Shopify, from your website design to your customer communication. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.